Welcome to Conceptual Academy. So friends, in this series we will solve the complete test. Question number 1. Which of the following is the longest surah of the Holy Quran? So the answer is Surah Al-Baqarah. Question number 2. Which term is used for the longest ayah verse of the Holy Quran? So the answer is Ayat Maduyana. Question number 3. What is the title of Tafsir written by Mufti Muhammad Shaf'I? So the answer is Mariful Quran. Question number 4. What are Hanafi, Maliki, Shafi and Hanbali? So the answer is Fiqh doctrines. Question number 5. The nisab of zakat and gold is? So the answer is 1/2 tola. Question number 6. To which country did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam have his first business trip? So the answer is Syria. Question number 7. What was the real name of Imam Abu Hanifa? So the answer is Numan bin Sabit. Question number 8. What type of prayer in Namaz Janaza? So the answer is Farz Kifaya. Question number 9. What is the distance required for a qasr and prayers? So the answer is 78 kilometers. Question number 10. How many clauses did the Treaty of Hudaybiyah contain? So the answer is 7 clauses. Question number 11. What is the literal meaning of Ijma? So the answer is consensus. Question number 12. What is mean by Sila Rahmiyah? So the answer is ties of kinship. Question number 13. What is the alternate name of Ghazwa Hamdak? So the answer is Ghazwa Azab. Question number 14. And how many Ghazwa did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam participate? So the answer is 27 Ghazwa. Question number 15. The first ever international treaty in Islamic history is known as? So the answer is Hudaybiyah Treaty. Question number 16. What is the name of the Islamic Constitutions Organization of the Government of Pakistan? So the answer is Islamic Ideology Council. Question number 17. What is Rabbi Zidni Ilma? So the answer is Quranic verse. Question number 18. The wealth property left by the deceased is called? So the answer is Taraka. Question number 19. For how long did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companion remain in siege Abi Talib? So the answer is 3 years. Who was the first caliph Umayyad dynasty? So the answer is Hazrat Muawiyah Razi. सवाल नंबर 21 वो अल्फाज जो इसम की जगह इस्तेमाल होते हैं इसमें ज़मीर कहलाता है। सवाल नंबर 22 काट से कटोला इसमें नकरा की कौन सी किस्म को ज़ाहिर करता है? जवाब फ़ेल। सवाल नंबर 23 इस लफ्ज़ को क्या कहते हैं जो किसी दूसरे से निकला हो? जवाब मश्तक। सवाल नंबर 24 इमला के एतबार से कौन सा लफ्ज़ दुरुस्त है? जवाब अब्दुर्रहमान। सवाल नंबर 25 वो अल्फाज जो इसम की जगह इस्तेमाल होते हैं क्या कहलाते हैं? इसमें ज़मीर। सवाल नंबर 26 दर्ज झेल में से कौन सा लफ्ज़ मुज़क्कर हैं? जवाब अबू अदाना। सवाल नंबर 27 दर्ज झेल में से कौन सा लफ्ज़ मुअन्नस हैं? संस्कृत। सवाल नंबर 28 वहम की जमा क्या है? जवाब अवहाम। सवाल नंबर 29 हर्द का मुतज़ाद क्या है? जवाब जुनून। सवाल नंबर 30 पश्चिम किस लफ्ज़ का मुतज़ाद है? जवाब पूरब। सवाल नंबर 31 मुशाहरा का हम्मानी लफ्ज़ तलाश करें तन्हा। सवाल नंबर 32 कौन सा जुमला दुरुस्त है? जवाब लड़कियां गा रही है। सवाल नंबर 33 दफ्तरी उर्दू में नथिंग को क्या कहते हैं? जवाब किफ़ायत-ए-नूसी। सवाल नंबर 34 फ़ाइल को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? जवाब मसल। सवाल नंबर 35 बराए तमील दजल में से किस का दुरुस्त तर्जुमा है? आंसर फॉर कंप्लायंस। सवाल नंबर 36 उर्दू में मिनट्स ऑफ मीटिंग क्या कहते हैं? जवाब रौदाद इजलास। सवाल नंबर 37 उर्दू में ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम को क्या कहते हैं? जवाब दफ्तरी यादाश्त। सवाल नंबर 38 उर्दू में इकानवी का दुरुस्त उर्दू मुतबादिल क्या है? जवाब मशीयत। सवाल नंबर 39 हिजर का मुतरादिफ लफ्ज़ तलाश करें। जवाब विसाल। सवाल नंबर 40 दुरुस्त जुमले की निशानदही करें। घोड़ा गाड़ी बिक गई। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 फाइंड द परसेंटेज ऑफ a 0.001 So the answer is 0.1. Question number 42. Find the answer of the series minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. So the answer is minus 27. Question number 43. What is the square root of minus 25? So the answer is none of these. Question number 44. Let x is equal to minus 4x plus 4. The value of the x will be. So the value of x will be 4 divided by 5. Question number 45. If the sum of all 10 values and the data set is 10, what will be the average? So the answer is 1. Question number 46. Let minus 2x power 3, then find the correct answer. So the answer is minus 8x power 3. Question number 47. Let x divided by 2 minus x divided by 4 is equal to 2, then find the answer. So the answer is 8. Question number 48. Let x power 2 divided by 3 is equal to 64, then find the value of x. So the answer is 16. Question number 49. The angle made by two lines is called rays. So the answer is rays. Question number 50. A polygon that consists of 8 sides is called. So the answer is octagon. Question number 51. A measure of angle which is the complement of itself is called. So the answer is 450. Question number 52. A triangle have vertices. So triangle have 3 vertices. So the answer is 3. Question number 53. The sum of 3 angles of an isosceles triangle is. So the answer is 180. Question number 54. How many endpoints are in a line? So the answer is no endpoint. Question number 55. Which of the following is the longest chord of a circle? So the longest chord of a circle is diameter. So the answer is diameter. Question number 56. How many sides a pentagon have? So pentagon have 5 sides. So the answer is 5. Question number 57. A figure whose all 4 sides are equal is called. So the square have 4 sides are equal. So the answer is square. Question number 58. To pick 100 pair of shoes into cases, each holds 20 shoes, then how many cases do we need? So the answer is 10. Question number 59. And the following series 12, 11, 12, 14, 13, what number should be come next? So the answer is 15. Question number 60. And the following series 2, 1, 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 4. What number should come next? So the answer is 1 divided by 8. Thank you for watching.